Guys, that's super sneaky. Waiting for them to drop a cigarette butt, hiding behind here so you can find the poor public.
Welcome back, folks. You're gonna love this video.
You're gonna give them fines. You guys sneaking around even though the city center's an absolute slum and there's people collapsing everywhere.
Charles Veach has been holding his servants accountable for a long time.
And you guys are gonna fine people 50 quid. I know.
In this video, he catches two servants with nothing better to do.
You're not the council, you're a private company employed by the council.
He brilliantly and hilariously puts them to shame.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Veach, I thought you retired. I'm actually a fan.
One of these knuckleheads actually knows who Charles Veach is. You guys, watch this amazing video. Go subscribe to his channel. Let him know that I sent you. Let's get right to it, folks.
Thank you. So why you put on this black uniform? You look like a fascist about to invade Poland. Look at you. Look at that, big black boots, like proper fascist 1930s uniform. And this is the thing, guys, you're hiding behind this thing, looking across there for people smoking. This is not the best use of your time. There's people dropping McDonald's wrappers, there's people dropping fast food everywhere. And you're after some students outside the Study English Centre dropping a little cigarette butt when there's literally right there homeless people surrounded by paramedics and police. Do you go after... I bet you guys don't find the homeless people. I bet you don't find the homeless people. I bet you go after normal members of the public. Don't you? How do you feel about this, Mr. Man in the glasses, that you're sneaking up on members of the public?
It's a criminal offence, buddy, okay? It's a criminal offence to drop this on the streets of Manchester, buddy.
It's not a criminal offence.
Yes, if you look
it's
it
a
up
civil
on Google,
offence.
If you're a YouTuber, have a look, buddy, on Google, mate.
And you think that's like, you think that's a priority when there's like homeless people?
Get your facts first, mate. We're not in that division, mate.
Hey, listen, you should be happy that a member of the public questions you.
Homeless, litter, and the police, buddy, okay? Thank you for your time.
Hey, man.
How'd you get your video like that? Is that 4K or something?
Right. Real quick, guys, I want to pause and say that I use Ecamm when I do my live streams. That's the software that I use. I absolutely love it. It's real easy. I can put your comments in the video. I can add things and take them out. I can do interviews. It's an amazing software, folks. If you guys need help finding good software to use, Ecamm is what I use when I do my live streams. Keep watching the video, folks.
No, thank you for the explanation.
Thank you, sir.
It is a criminal offence, though. Section
It is.
8 in the Environment Act, 1990.
Hey guys, don't drop your cigarette butts. There's environmental officers here sneaking on you. They're gonna fine you. They're waiting.
Breach of the peace, mate.
Did you just say that I might be doing a breach of the peace?
Sir.
Are you serious?
Right.
Oh, he's gonna raid you in. Oh, the authority man is gonna. Oh, he's gonna phone. Oh, look at this. He's felt. Even though you're filming me, dude, you still threaten that I'm filming you. Huh? Well, it's a camera. It's a camera, and it's got a little green light on it, so you know, something's on about it. Anyway, look, because you came out dressed like a 1930s black shirt with big black steel toe cap boots on, chasing people dropping cigarette butts. See, your colleague here is not getting filmed. He's been a good sport. He's being a good sport. Why don't you be a good sport? He said that I might be down for a breach of the peace. He's down for a breach of the peace. All right.
Nothing better than seeing two snakes get exposed and they have no choice but to slither away. Well done, Charles Veach. Well done.
Yes, well done.
This video was too funny. It almost seemed like a skit from a comedy movie. And Charles Veach is the guy we all pay to go see. This dude is actually funny, but he means serious business, folks. He's been doing this a long time, and this dude definitely has our support. From the USA all the way to the UK, it feels really good to see people picking up cameras and holding their public officials accountable. We the people have allowed this to happen. We care more about sports and movies than we care about our rights. And this is what we see when we stop caring about what's important in the world. Charles Veach gets it. He understands. I definitely appreciate him and his work, and we've been following him for a long time. I'm really glad to see his channel grow to where it is today. We've been following him and supporting him when we were just a small channel, and he was as well. If you're not subscribed to Charles Veach, go subscribe now. I'll be dropping the original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you all for tuning in. Have yourselves a blessed day. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.